How to use import from Other Module POS Invoices. In Accounting module, you can import invoices from POS module. To import, go to Accounting, go to Transactions, select Import from Other Modules, and then click POS Invoices. To choose which account to be put on for default debit to and default credit to, you have to make sure that you have created the accounts related to the transaction in charts of accounts. Tick the box of which transaction you want to import into accounting. Once you have done the selection, click Import on top right of the page. Remember to approve the transaction for it to be included in the reports. You can approve it by going to Transactions, My Locations, and then Active. To view list of your imported transactions, go to Accounting, select Transactions, select Import from Other Modules, and then click POS Invoices. On top right of the page, select Imported. Then, you will be able to see the transaction that you have imported into accounting. Thank you for watching.